This is Bluejacket's 85-foot diesel tug model kit. Designed in 1944 for the U.S. Army, this kit represents a generic example of the diesel tugs that were built. It's a scale of 3/16 inch equals 1 foot. Hi, I'm Nick. I'm the owner of Bluejacket, and let's look at the contents of the diesel tug kit. First of all, we have plans. In addition to the plans, we have a comprehensive instruction manual with diagrams, writings, pictures, everything you need to know to build this beautiful boat. The kit has a carved basswood hull. It is about 90% to 95% complete. There's a little bit of sanding and trimming needed at the bow and the stern. There is a package of dowels and wood strips used for some of the detailing work. There is another package that includes plastic acetate for the windows, some styrene strips, some brass rod. There is a cast resin smokestack. There's rigging thread provided. And in the fittings package, we have a flag, stanchions, the front bumper piece. There are cleats, capstans, running lights, steering wheel, ventilator louvers, propeller, life preservers. There's cleats, bollards, bolsters on the side, cast doors. And finally, there is a very comprehensive package of laser cut pieces. Here's the front cabin, which wraps around. There's some laser styrene pieces for gussets and so forth. There's more laser cut pieces. The cabin sides. More cabin pieces. Here's the cabin floor. Here's the finished deck piece. These are the bulwarks, laser cut, scupper holes already cut out. A very complete model package. So thank you for watching, and I'd like you to like and subscribe. Thank you.